Hello, I just want to share with you my garden, my kitchen garden. I dug it yesterday. I haven't planted much, just managed to dig it yesterday. I did put green onions, that was just yesterday, so they haven't yet of course germinated. It's just yesterday I did it. Took time to dig my garden yesterday. It's just a small portion of my garden, just a small portion that I grow my veggies. I did uproot my cucumber plants because I've had them for about 2-3 years, so I'll put fresh ones as well. And the garden was really had a lot of winds. You can see I cleared all that yesterday. I'll put them away when they dry up, or maybe use them as compost or manure when I put the seedlings. That's my apple tree is over there. It's really flowering. Hopefully we are going to get a number of pears. It's pears. Did I say apple or pears? It's a pears. It's pears tree. It's really flowered. Hopefully we are going to get enough pears this year. This is it's a small portion of my garden. It really gives us a lot of greens. And this year I'll be putting some sweet corn, some white maize that I bought from a supermarket here. Hopefully they'll do well. Hopefully they are short season white maize, and we can be able to get some white maize for barbecue. But the yellow sweet corn does very well here in the UK. It fits the weather. I haven't planted yet. I'm going to leave the garden for maybe about 2 or 3 weeks, or so that the soil can warm up. We are still in early spring, coming from winter, so the soil is still very cold. They need to warm up before I plant. I put the plants, so I'll leave it to warm up a bit. I'll be planting, as I said, sweet corns, white maize. Hopefully they'll do well. I'll plant some pumpkins. I've got pumpkin seeds. I'll put them in a nursery for seedlings. And I put green onions over here, as I mentioned. And hopefully they'll do well. Trust God they do well. Once I plant and I've got the vegetables, the pumpkins, the sweet corns, the white maize, and once the spring onions have come up, I'll be adding more spring onions. I put a few, I'll be adding more. And also my pear tree, once it flowers and it has got the pears, I'll share with you all my farm journey, my garden journey. Thank you for your time. It's good to have a kitchen garden whenever possible if you have got that opportunity. I find it very refreshing and nice when I walk to my back garden, my kitchen garden, and pick up some greens, some spring onions, some pears when they are ready. It gives us much joy, and we are grateful and thankful to God for that. Anyway, thank you for your time and thank you for your support, and looking forward into give you more updates on how our garden is doing as we move on into late spring, summer, all the way to autumn before we leave the garden to rest again in winter. And be blessed, and goodbye for now.